Hey guys, so Paudin sent me over this knife, and today I'm going to be cooking tri-tip, which is already ready to go. It's resting now, and we're going to go ahead and chop our veggies first for our tri-tip sandwich. This is the way I like my tri-tip sandwich, you guys. So we're going to try this thing in a complete package. We're going to go from chopping the vegetables to chopping the meat and putting this sandwich together on the Blackstone. All right guys, let's get started. Let's give this thing an honest review. We're going to open up the package. So let's take a look at this knife here. It comes in this nice little package, and finally get to open this thing. Take a good look at it. I like the finish of the handle. It's like this cherry, like purple wood, wooden handle. Looks very sharp. This is a chef's knife, and you can see the details in the chef's knife there as well. Has these nice little grooves. So let's go ahead and chop this vegetables for our sandwich. What I really wanted to see if this knife can get the job done from start to finish, from doing the veggies to chopping up the meat. So let's go ahead and start with our lettuce. Then let's start chopping into our tomatoes. And I just make these fine slices on the tomatoes. I'm gonna chop 3 here. And so far, what I'm feeling from the knife is it's effortlessly cutting through these vegetables. All right, so let's try the onion. This is like one of the telltales of knives, knowing if it can cut through onion here. And honestly, it's sliced like butter. So I really like this knife. It's lightweight, and I would definitely recommend taking a look at it. So what we want to do here is get our onions and fire up our Blackstone. Make sure it's really hot. And if you saw those onions flying through the center, that was my daughter. She wanted to help me out, so she's just like, it's hot. But anyway, she threw some on there. Go ahead and get some of that Kinder Santa Maria rub and toss it, and make sure you put some of it on the onion and cover these onions. And these things are gonna be done in about 5, maybe 10 minutes. And once they are done, just push them to the right side of the Blackstone and turn the Blackstone off. So this thing has 4 burners. The 2 burners on the right are currently off, and I'm keeping the 2 left burners on because I'm gonna start preparing my sandwich. So I picked up this Italian bread. It's like an artisan bread, and I'm just gonna heat it up with a little bit of oil and toast it on both sides. And I'm gonna throw my provolone cheese, and here I'm showing my daughter to not be scared, to go ahead and put her hand in there and throw the cheese on there, because I like teaching my kids how to cook. All right, so now let's assemble this sandwich. We're gonna get some sriracha mayo, throw some tomatoes on there, put some lettuce, not too much, and we got our cheese. Now we're gonna set this to the side, guys. We're gonna unwrap this tri-tip now. Let's get to town. So juicy. So we're gonna cut into it like this first. Get all the juice like this. Show the juice. Show the juice like this. Okay, very juicy. Now we're gonna cut into the tri-tip. So if you've never cut a tri-tip before or cooked a tri-tip, what you wanna do is slice it in half and turn it so you can do a cross pattern slicing. And this is a proper way to cut a tri-tip. And the reason for that is it just tastes more tender, and it's just a little easier to eat when you do a cross pattern cutting on the tri-tip. And as you can see, every slice is super juicy. Right. This tri-tip is amazing. So I recommend you try it. It's very simple to follow. Like I said, it's just the Worcestershire sauce and the Santa Maria rub. And really, it's a process of cooking it really slow and letting it rest. Just like any other good meat that you've ever cooked in your entire life, that you ever tasted, it's rested. All right, so we're just about done slicing this half. We're only gonna slice 1 half. So I wanna do that, and then have it like this.
Yeah, like that, and then add some like.
And then build the sandwich, right?
Yeah.
Have the
build a sandwich, and then like
this, like that, and then.
Did you put tomatoes? Yeah, you did.
Oop.
Okay, now we need to fold it.
A little barbecue sauce like that. Hold on. Should we do it exposed?
Yeah, exposed. Exposed, Dad.
Huh?
Or close, and then
Wait,
like
forgot something.
the onion, yeah.
Bro. You kidding me, bro?
Close it and then like show like the inside.
Oh, like cut it?
No, just close it and then like leave it like slightly open.
Oh,
Like,
you want to
like
try that?
yeah, like close it.
Okay. Let's close it.
Close it, and then like that, and like make it look nice.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. Like how like in the commercials they like do it like that.
All right, guys. So we're gonna try the tri-tip sandwich now. Emily's gonna try the tri-tip. Let's give this thing a bite.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Here's a close-up of that tri-tip. Look how juicy it is.